Our eyes are one of the most important organs in our body, allowing us to see and experience the world around us. However, with the rise of technology and increased screen time, many people are experiencing vision problems at a younger age. While glasses and contact lenses can help correct these issues, there are also natural remedies that can help repair and improve vision. In this monologue, I will discuss 6 herbs that have been shown to be beneficial for eye health and vision. The first herb on our list is bilberry. Bilberry is a small, dark blue fruit that is similar to a blueberry. It is rich in antioxidants called anthocyanins, which have been shown to improve night vision and protect the eyes from damage caused by free radicals. Bilberry also helps to strengthen the blood vessels in the eyes, which can improve circulation and reduce the risk of eye diseases such as macular degeneration and cataracts. Next up is ginkgo biloba. Ginkgo biloba is a popular herb that is known for its ability to improve circulation and cognitive function. It is also beneficial for eye health, as it can increase blood flow to the eyes and reduce inflammation. Ginkgo biloba has been shown to improve vision in people with glaucoma and age-related macular degeneration, 2 common eye conditions that can cause vision loss. Another herb that is beneficial for vision is saffron. Saffron is a spice that is derived from the flower of the Crocus sativus plant. It is rich in antioxidants and carotenoids, which can help protect the eyes from damage and improve vision. Saffron has been shown to improve visual acuity and reduce the risk of developing cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. It can also help reduce inflammation in the eyes and improve blood flow to the retina. One herb that is often overlooked for its benefits to eye health is turmeric. Turmeric is a bright yellow spice that is commonly used in Indian cuisine. It contains a compound called curcumin, which has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin has been shown to protect the eyes from damage caused by free radicals and reduce inflammation in the eyes. It can also improve blood flow to the eyes and reduce the risk of developing cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. Next on our list is eyebright. Eyebright is a small, flowering herb that has been used for centuries to treat eye conditions such as conjunctivitis and eye strain. It contains compounds called flavonoids and tannins, which have anti-inflammatory and astringent properties. Eyebright can help reduce inflammation in the eyes, soothe irritated eyes, and improve vision. It is often used in eye drops and herbal teas to treat a variety of eye conditions. Last but not least, we have goji berries. Goji berries are small, red berries that are native to Asia. They are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that are beneficial for eye health. Goji berries contain high levels of zeaxanthin and lutein, 2 carotenoids that are essential for maintaining healthy vision. These compounds can help protect the eyes from damage caused by UV radiation and reduce the risk of developing cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. Goji berries can also improve circulation to the eyes and reduce inflammation, making them a great addition to a diet for healthy eyes. In conclusion, there are many herbs that can help repair and improve vision. Bilberry, ginkgo biloba, saffron, turmeric, eyebright, and goji berries all have unique properties that can benefit eye health and vision. Whether you are looking to protect your eyes from damage, reduce inflammation, or improve circulation, incorporating these herbs into your diet or supplement routine can help support healthy vision for years to come. Remember to always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new herbal regimen, especially if you have existing eye conditions or are taking medications that may interact with these herbs.